Well, hello guys. We're going to do something a little different today for you. As some of you may or may not know, I am going to do some accessories and installs for Kemi Moto. And they sent me this. This is going to be an unboxing today. The install is going to happen probably tomorrow, I'm thinking, because then I'll do the review. But I won't be able to put the video up until they're going to send me some stuff that I need to post with it. But today we're going to it's kind of a sneak preview of the video more so anything else. This is what they sent me that's going to be installed on my Ranger, which sits next to me. So what we're going to do here, we're going to get on with it. And we're going to go ahead and open the box up and see what's in the old box here. Get a sharp knife here, we'll be all set. There we go. Open it up. And right here it is. We can get rid of this. And you'll see it says Kemi Moto right on it. They are hooking up with me. They do ATV, UTV, ATV, motorcycle, and boat accessories. So they cover the whole gambit. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this up and see what's inside here. We're going to go from there. Let's see here. There we go. We're going to do this so you guys can see it more so than me. Let's see here. Go like this. We're going to pull this off. These are what they sent me. We got the instruction sheet here. Nice detailed instruction sheet. I know I haven't said what's in the box yet, but you will see in a few minutes here. And here they come. We got some mirrors that are going to be installed on the Ranger here. These aren't just any mirrors. These actually will light up. They got lights, LED lighting in here. So here's one mirror. Here's the other, of course, right here. And you can see they got electrical harnesses going into them. Then we have some Allen wrenches here. This is for to adjust the mirrors. Here's a wire harness. Here's the other wire harness for it. Then right here's your main harness that hooks the mirrors up to you hook into your battery, of course, and this hooks them in. Then what we do to operate them, there's a phone app. When we get everything set up, there's a phone app, and we download that phone app. Then that will make the lights come to life, basically. But let's see if we got anything else hidden in here. I don't believe we do. Nope. Right here's everything. So basically, we'll get rid of this box. So we got an instruction sheet, like I said, tells how to put them on there. Then the product manual, of course. Then we got our mirrors right here. Then here's the other mirror. And here's, like I say, the wrenches. Here's the two harnesses, one for each mirror. And here's the main harness for it. So it shouldn't be too bad. Most everything here would probably take me maybe an hour. Being realistic, if I take my time adjusting everything, want to get it perfect, and figuring out where to mount them. About an hour to install them. So this is going to be our project for tomorrow. At the time that you see this video, it will be that day that I'll be doing the recording of it. So we will be installing these tomorrow. And we'll see how they work out. Then I'm going to probably do it, some of it at night, and so that you can see how they light up on the Ranger. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this unboxing video. These are Kemi moto. These are the oh my gosh. These are the Kemi moto SKU number B0106-1371BK. I will post a link to them in the description if you guys want to order some. And if you wait till there's going to be a promo code entered on the install video. So when you see the install video, look for a promo code. When you go there to order stuff, you'll get a discount on stuff. So thanks a lot for watching this video. As always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future updates, and we'll see you on the next video, everybody. Bye bye for now.